We've got a couple of jobs on the go in the shed today. Aiden's going to weld in this little resonator in the middle of his exhaust, and I'll be using the CAD method to make some seat mounts in the A86 rally car. Aiden's center muffler just kept blowing to bits. We tried to fix it a few times, and in the end, we just bought a new one, and he fully welded that in with the MIG welder. The seat mounts are coming along nicely on the Apex Jaeger tarmac rally car. And with the new resonator and a flex joint installed, we decided let's go all out and put this little sports muffler on the back. I had some 2-inch stainless bends lying around, so we were able to make them work, and out the back with a little sports muffler. I welded it all up with a TIG welder, and here I am with a MIG welder just putting the hangers on. I'm actually surprised this motor's only a 1 litre, but it's got 3 cylinders, and it just has this really cool little growl to it. It sounded more and more like a P-Platers car every day.